Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Indotenga Peli, Epolweni. It's infinity.
Hey, Sibo, my brother.
Yeah.
Tina, my brother, still to the final.
Sure.
Angazi ngabanye mfowethu.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Angazi ngabanye. The only final ebazoyidlala this season.
Yeah.
The Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Is the final whistle nje kuphela.
The final whistle.
Yeah, the final whistle. Yabana khona manje ngiyabatshela in life there are three types of people that you cannot advise.
Yes.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
Umuntu onemali.
Yeah.
Number 1 aka-advise umuntu onjalo.
Yes.
Number 2 umuntu esemathandweni.
Yeah.
Akanokuthi ngama-advise umuntu onjalo.
Yeah.
Number 3
yeah.
ama-supporter we-Kaizer Chiefs. Aba-adviseki labantu laba mfowethu. Yangithola, aba-adviseki. So into engayikhuluma, I'm very happy for Orlando Pirates. Today we have made history. Yangithola.
Yeah.
We are the first team.
Yeah.
Khona manje ukuthi siwine i-Carling Black Label ne-MTN 8 by 2 in one season.
Yes.
Siyenze lento lena ngo-2011.
Yeah.
Sayenza khona manje sesiyiphindile.
Yeah.
So ukuthi yonke into siyenzayo bayibona ngathi and then bona bazasifollow. Yangithola.
Yeah.
We are trendsetters, as you are saying, Fred.
Yes.
We do things and then bona bazemove.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit disappointed in referee, enamuhla mfowethu. Yeah, the referee was not up to date.
Yes.
I think the igame yanamuhla bengaphezulu kwamandla akhe mfowethu. Yeah, wenze amanye ama-mistake amaningi.
Pusha.
Ngiyacala ukubona igame eliya half time ngekhona kick.
Hey mfethu.
Khona kick, we-ref athi khona kick. Nafanele ukuthi bakhathele khona kick athi no igame iselishayile abantu bahamba. Angithi you're supposed to wait for ukuthi bakhathele khona kick and then uref and then ukuthi ibhola liphumela ngapha.
Ifoul yenziwa ngosiyema, yellow card yathola ngoLebizo.
Yeah.
So there are many mistakes ukuthi awayenzile. She nearly cost us the game.
She did. She did.
So masikhuluma bazothi siya biased what. Abantu basifazane bafuneka netballweni mfethu.
Yeah.
This is a men's sport. Funeka amadoda mfethu. Yangithola.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry to say that.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Yazi ukuthi bafuna ama experience. Bafuna ukuba equal in everything.
Yeah.
But not on this game of magnitude mfethu.
We need Abongile Tom.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter. Mara. What I'm trying to say, Guti, I'm a game now. I'm afraid to explain for person. I don't know what you good and not refuse na good game a fan and
yeah.
So, but in thing even good in gen, school look at swing and then see. Sometimes you don't need to go to the leg as a polo in you. Would you like put a police or engine? Yeah. What matters
is the result.
Is the results. Started trophy, Simnand, Yangtol. When a man just celebrate, must want to Sugalan. Yes. So Shama must off Kanaman.
Oh, must go.
Oh, you are so Sinya Makanaman. We have seen young man outside me. So, social for us. I'm very.
I need the band.
And then another thing, I would like to congratulate Umbogazi. The Pirates.
Yes.
See, we are very happy for you, my guy. You did a really wonderful work. Go on the Pirates. May the Lord continue to bless you.
Yes.
Another thing, we eat food. Abantu bayeke balabala ngohugo pros mfowethu. Isikwathi usikhethile le man. Into yenzayo yazi ukuthi wenzani. Yangithola. If une problem wena ngohugo pros, ngicela uhlale ekhaya mfowethu
Yes.
thina support ibafana bafana
Yes.
because of
Or support Rwanda if you can.
because my brother South Africa has been doing bad and then player Kaizer Chiefs have been dominating South Africa
Yes.
but we were behind them.
Yes.
We were supporting them.
Yes.
Abo yeye,
Yeah.
abo Chabalala, ngo-2010
Yes.
yabadlala. We were behind them.
Yes.
Khona manje ngoba khona manje ama-player we-Pirate yiwo ne-Sundowns akhethiwe
Bakhala.
bafuna ukukhala.
Yeah.
They are not owning the country, my
Yes.
brother. Yangithola.
Yes. Yes.
Ukuthi unama-supporter ayingaki doesn't matter mfowethu.
Okay.
What matters ama-results.
Yeah.
Yangithola.
Yeah.
So ababula mthukuthi abahambe bayolala mfowethu thina sesithathela ama-trophy.
Yeah.
And then the fourth trophy is good this season sothatha 4.
Yeah.
Because sesibhayizise le nkukhu nyana le bathu yayithola sibhayizisile yangithola so mara sesicale nga-2 manje kuthi this season sithatha 4
Yeah.
and then siyahlangana kahle next season if then bazokhona ukuthi baqualify futhi
Yeah. Yeah.
yangithola sikhona ukupay revenge
Yeah.
but I'm sure Mamelodi Sundowns and everything bazobakhipha labana bomgugu
Yeah.
ngiyavala mfuthu.
Thank you, man. Thank you, Blakely Baby.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?